Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the basics ready. A functioning Wi-Fi adapter, updated driver, and administrator rights. Those let you change sharing settings. First, set a clear SSID and a strong password in settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Mobile Hotspot. Next, make sure the connection that provides internet has internet connection sharing enabled. This routes traffic through your hotspot. Once done, toggle the hotspot on so Windows creates the virtual adapter. This sequence prevents common misroutes and ensures devices can see and authenticate to your new network. If the hotspot doesn't run, switch to command tools to diagnose and repair. Open an elevated command prompt and run netwlan, show drivers and netwlan, start hosted network to verify hosted capability, and start the virtual AP. Reset the network stack with ipconfig/flushtons, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and netwinsock reset to clear stale states. Also inspect services like WLAN auto config and remote access connection manager. Restart them as needed. Finally, confirm Windows Firewall allows share complete by connecting a client device and verifying it gets an IP, gateway, and DNS from the PC. That proves successful routing. If connections drop, disable metered connection and turn off power saving for the Wi-Fi adapter so Windows won't sleep the adapter. Once stable, lock an SSID/password and recheck your mobile data plan limits. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, uninstall the virtual adapter in Device Manager and perform a Windows network reset. This often clears corrupted virtual interfaces and restores a working hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.